My sister Alice was 3 years older than me and my only sibling. She would have been 80 on her last birthday. We did indeed grow up together. She was a very kind and caring person, and at the stage of her life when she was taken away, the most important thing in her life was her grandchildren. She spent a great deal of time with them. The highlights of her life would be her individuality and her caring for her children, her caring for her mother in her late years, which was quite a difficult chore. We had one instance where when my mother first moved in with Alice, Alice had something to do that night after work and came home at about 11 o'clock and found my mother sitting there waiting for her. And then there was one time when my mother smacked her. And keep in mind, Alice was in her 50s at the time. That was a pretty sad day. As I said in my talk, that is the day that she was killed. It was quite a shock. And I guess I have never completely gotten over it. We used to talk on the phone on Sunday mornings. She would call me one week, I would call her the next. Well, we learned what happened after the funeral when my niece Kathy was contacted by NYPD. They told her that the accident was actually an insurance fraud scam. Obviously, NYPD was quite accustomed to those type of setups. They would cause the accident and then feign injuries. And they had a lot of, as one of the senators said, I think it was Senator Seward, phony medical clinics who would put in false claims with insurance companies and Medicare. These guys particularly targeted older women, thinking that they would not fight back. She's buried at St. Charles Cemetery. I'm quite sure Alice would like to see legislation that would change the rules, or I should say the law, with regard to this type of crime, which presently is only a misdemeanor.